Christmas! Hi guys, welcome back.
Hi.
And Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho.
Oh God.
So, feeling Christmassy today. It's a frosty day.
It's freezing.
Quite cold, yeah.
Yeah. Sun's out there.
Yeah, beautiful sunny frosty day. I like days like that.
Just don't go out. Yeah.
Today, well, we've already put some lights up, and which I haven't switched on, so hold on. Great revealing.
They broke. Ah, they do work.
Yeah, they did work.
That's Christmas now. Look.
Got the little tree out. It is still alive, but we're going to put our proper Christmas tree up. But still,
Debatable.
this isn't any major feat, as you're about to find out.
Down there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get this massive 6-foot tree out. 6 foot.
It is 6 foot, yeah.
Yeah. It's exciting, isn't it? Takes forever to build this.
It's like a great unboxing.
Every year you get this thing out, don't you?
Yep. Oh, it's exciting.
Oh dear.
So actually, in all seriousness, I know some people have huge trees on their boat, but even though we're a wide beam, we don't have many sort of corners, do we, to...
No, it's not really configured for a tree, is it?
No, so,
I suppose they thought of that in the specs.
This is a little slim tree. Gosh, you've had it for years, and it's just perfect for the boat. So.
I was lazy at home. It's like, I know, I get this. Oh, such hard work.
I know. Wait for it.
Alright then.
Yep.
So I'll do all the work.
Yep.
It's quite tricky because, you know, it's such a big tree. 6 foot, this tree. Oh no. Whee! Hang on, let me plug it in.
Okay.
Tree's up!
Woohoo!
You still see the option.
Look at that thing of beauty.
Then you get the full effect. Ah, look, see?
Beautiful.
It takes so long to do Christmas.
I know. That's the tree done. So there you go. Our beautiful tree.
I need to sit down after that. That was hard work.
So we came up to the marina for the marina Christmas market. Cancelled.
Uh-oh. No Christmas.
No Christmas. They've cancelled Christmas.
No.
However, after some extensive research,
Friendly Google.
Friendly Google has told us that Shepperton has its own Christmas market.
So I can get Christmas lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Richard is going to get a German sausage.
Oh, I'm hungry now.
And that makes
That's
him
hard
happy.
work. Yeah. Christmas is
So
hard
yeah,
work.
after that extensive tree
Yeah.
erection,
Oh dear.
I'm not being rude, that is like the right word, then we're going to go to the Christmas market.
Yay!
Yay! So we've pulled up to the Christmas fair.
At least it's open.
Are you excited?
Oh, very. I'm starving. It's going to cost me a fortune.
So just came out of the Christmas market. What an extravaganza it was. It was quite small, but Richard got his German sausage, so he's happy. And I only got run over by a donkey twice.
Mowed down by a donkey.
Donkeys are stealth, they're literally stealth donkeys.
It's like that, isn't it?
Stood right in the way of the path of the donkey. Twice. Oh well, we've done a Christmas market. Woohoo! So, back from the Christmas market. It was pretty good actually, it wasn't bad at all. At least I feel like I've done a Christmas market now.
I do now, that's Christmas done.
Yeah, because we were quite sad that we hadn't got to Kingston yet and done a Christmas market. I don't think we will, no.
Maybe next weekend.
I don't think so, I think it'll be shut by then.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
They normally are when we go to them.
Yeah. Anyway.
Happened in Winchester, didn't it? We went all the way to Winchester and
we did,
shut.
yeah.
That was before Christmas.
So, I would just like to give a big shout out to Steve Sorterbeck, and I think I've said that right, and I hope I've said that right, who comments a lot on Twitter, and to say Happy Christmas to him and his flatmates. He's in the USA, and don't know if he's somewhere sunny now, but last time it was 27 degrees while we were shivering. So
oh, come on, that's not fair.
I hope you're having fun, Steve, in your RV. And just to say, our videos, we have now been doing YouTube videos weekly for, I believe this is episode 88. So that's 88 weeks straight. So it's over about a year and a half,
We must have
isn't it?
started in April.
We did.
Last April.
We started before we got the boat. And we've had no break at all. And it is a lot of work putting the videos together. And our plans are they might become a little bit intermittent. We're going to have a little break.
Over Christmas.
Yeah, we're going to have a little break.
Go and visit everyone.
Maybe for a couple of weeks or so. And then Richard is planning on doing his Yachtmaster courses. Very exciting.
There's a lot of courses to get
There's
through.
a lot of courses. And some of those are weekend courses.
Some of them are 5 days.
And some of the, so it might mean
5 days at sea again like
that
this.
we can't commit to weekly vlogs. But we are going to try our best.
We should get a lot done.
We should get a lot done, but just if we'll sort of update on social media anyway. And if you've pinged the notification bell, you'll know when one has come out.
Yeah.
So we will try, but we don't want
dates,
we don't want to feel
of when I'm away.
Feel stressed about we haven't done a video and
Where are
then
they?
and letting people down. So I hope you understand that. We could probably do with a little rest anyway.
Yeah, but I'm not getting a rest.
You're not getting a rest. No.
You'll be at home. Your feet up and I'll be out bobbing around somewhere off the south coast. Trying not to be seasick.
Anyway, we sincerely wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And thank you as always for everybody's support. Everybody that has bought us a coffee along the way. People that have sent us gift or brought us gifts, like John, thank you very much.
My secret torch.
And we will try to keep hitting your screens, but bear with us if we don't. And we will see you soon. Bye.